Hi guys and welcome to Thruzone.com. This is Mohit Soni. What you're looking at is the highly facelifted version of the Volvo XC90 that has finally been launched in the Indian market for 1.2 crore rupees ex-showroom. This is a update for the XC90 and there are a good amount of significant updates, if not more. Let's start with this very interesting looking LED DRL, the Thor hammer. It's been revised with the same, it has this Thor hammer's sort of design, but it's got this new effect here which looks really cool in person and I think on the camera as well. The new grille is really good. I think this is a trend that is happening in most luxury cars, and I think this grille looks absolutely sensational on certain cars, which includes this XC90 as well. The very good, well spec'd and well chosen alloy wheels looked quite fantastic on this car, and the side profile remains exactly the same as it was earlier. Let's get inside and show you what has changed and what has not. So you've got your powered seats and controls and everything here. Bowers and Wilkins power audio system remains. You've got a very nice steering wheel with the new leather finish here, which looks quite great, and the crystallized gear lever and the start stop button, electronic parking brake, auto hold, and that is the new screen here, which looks quite impressive. And in terms of the instrument cluster here, let's get inside and see that it continues to be the same as it was before. So that is something that was supposed to change, but here let's talk on the bigger highlight here. The new screen is far more better, looks quite nice, and it's very easy to the first impression that I get from this is that it has definitely become better to look at, to touch and to operate. And you can just go use Google Assistant, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto is here, and you've got a lot of features as well. Let's try and see something. So those are the drive modes right there. This audio system control sort of panel here continues to be seen. You've got this very nice finish that continues to be the same. Volvo XC90's interior is absolutely high quality. Even with very less light coming inside the cabin, the quality, the plushness is easily visible, and that I think is the very best part. And this is something that is quite impressive. You've got a glove box that is illuminated and big enough. IRVM, large sunroof, very well contoured seats. This is supposed to be the same seat as before, so it should be very comfortable. And the steering adjust is surprisingly still manual on this car. We'll have to spend more time with it to tell you exactly what about. Now I'm showing you what the first impression of this car is. And you've got sun blinds here, as you can see, and that is the kind of space you're getting on the inside. It's quite impressive. You've got your own AC vent, panoramic sunroof lending a lot of light inside. The space here is quite brilliant, and again the glass area is quite massive. It is of course a 7-seater variant that we are seeing right now, and yeah, that's your first look. You pretty much know, you've seen videos of the XC90 in the past. It remains pretty much the same. And this is of course a 48-volt mild hybrid car now, which makes around 250 bhp, and it's a 4-cylinder unit, priced at 1.02 crores. This is a good couple of lakhs expensive than the previous version, but then again it has a few updates along with the new engine, which is E20 fuel compliant, to make it ready for the kind of regulatory updates that are coming in. Power tailgate is on offer. It's quite fast, and that is how the boot looks like with all the 7 seats up. Spare tire, and you've got your toolkit here. Let's close it back. The seats at the back are actually quite big. The new tail lamp, I think the lower section is new, and I think that's it. That's what I can tell you right now with the XC90 for this 2025 version. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you next time in the next video. Goodbye.